everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Sandy, the Kentucky Crafter. If you are new, and if you're not new, welcome back. I'm so excited to see everybody again. Today I am working on a project making a St. Patrick's Day door hanger for my front door. And I am going to be using my Cricut Design Space to help me come up with a template that my husband will use to cut out the wood. And I was looking for a pot of gold with some sort of flourish, whether it was a hat or a shamrock. So I went over into images over here and just searched on St. Patrick's Day, and I found these images here. And you can see that there's several different layers because these are designs to where you can cut out different colors and layer them up and make the design like this. So I might be using some of those layers to decorate my sign, but I don't need them for the template. And it's really easy to just get down to the base template that you need, and you just go over and click on the little eyeball over here, and it turns off the images that you don't need. So I have just this one base image remaining. And then I do the same thing on the hat. So I don't need this base image for the clover and the hats. And I'm just left with this one base cut here. And then I want these to be welded together in my template. And so I line up the hat and the clover where I want it. And then I select both of these and I hit the weld button. And then now they're both welded together. And I am ready to cut it out, except I want this to be about 20 inches by 20 inches because I want it to be fairly big on my front door. And so let me show you this really cool hack that you can do with your Cricut, because you can't print or you can't cut anything wider than 11.5 inches. You can go longer, but you can't go wider. And so what you can do is you can take the shapes over here, and I just pick a square, and I hit the unlock button so that I can make it bigger and make it the size I need. And I'm going to basically cut this image in half so that each piece of it is going to be less than 11.5 inches wide. So once you have the square, the rectangle lined up where you want it, then you select both of these single layers, and you have to have 2 single layers, and then you can hit the slice button. And then this black image then slices through my gold image. And now you can see I have 2 pieces. I have one that's 9.5 and one that is about 11.2. And so now I can print cut each of these out on my Cricut, and then I'll be able to tape them together and have a single cut template for my husband to use to cut out on the plywood. So this is part 1 of the video. So stick around and I will show you all part 2 after he has cut out the plywood. So here is the template after I have cut it out, and you can see here that I've taped the 2 pieces back together. And once he cuts it out, then I haven't completely decided, but I'm probably going to use a combination of paint and then vinyl to decorate the hat, the shamrock, and then the gold, and then the pot. And I'll probably put St. Patrick's Day or something like that on here. I'm out here in the garage. Just wanted to show you the piece of wood here. We picked this up over at Lowe's, and I believe it's, I want to say like 3/8 of an inch thick, if I remember correctly. And we got this before the wood prices went up because we bought a bunch of them. So I'm not sure what they run right now, but this is perfect to use to cut out. They paint really well, and also the vinyl goes on them really smoothly. So thank you all so much for watching, and keep an eye out for part 2, and leave a comment down below like suggestions of how I should decorate this, because I haven't totally decided what saying I'm gonna put on there, and all the different decorations. So give me some suggestions down below. Thank you all so much for watching. See y'all in the next video.